Masters of Legal Studies po. Na binasa ko this semester.
What the dog doing?
Refuse for I just got hired.
What the dog doing?
I'll start on Monday daw. Good morning guys. So, it's currently 7:48 a.m. and tayo ang mag-open ng hub. And also kasama natin si Mama because later, maybe at around 10 or 11 ay pupunta ako ng campus. So, I could submit yung mga papers namin for Crimpro. Merong ibang mga nagpasabay sa akin ng papers nila. Kasi a few of my classmates ay sa malayo nakatira. So, ang hassle naman kung pupunta sila ng campus just for this. So, initiate ako na mag-submit ng papers nila. Tapos babayaran na lang nila ako for printing. Officially, yung isasubmit kong paper ay yung last requirement ko na for this term. So that means, pwede na ako manood ng series! Simulan na natin yung off-campus. Oh my God, I've been putting this on hold for the longest time since this series came out. Kasi hindi ko siya mabibitawan pag pinanood ko siya. So, yun. Grabe. Init sa campus ha. Okay. Okay. So, nandito na tayo sa College of Law.
What the dog doing?
Nakapag-submit na tayo. Iwan yung cellphone. Kala ko na iwan ko yung cellphone. So, update muna natin ang mga kaklase ko. Na tayo ay nakapag-submit na. Hold on. Okay. So, nakapag-submit na ako. Daan tayo si registrar kasi sabi ni Sir Gian ay try natin baka makakuha na ng ID. My God, miss kong daanan tong panel na to. TLE shop namin yan dati. I don't know kung hanggang ngayon. And also, dito din ako nag-high school. So, ito ang building namin before. Di ba? Hindi na makita. Okay. So today ay Saturday, kaya wala masyadong student sa campus. And also, parang mga maintenance staff yung naglilipit sila, naglilinis sila. Kasi bakasyon. Also, yun nga pala, bakasyon. So naglilinis sila for, I think, upcoming na pasukan. Kailan tayo na registrar, mag-inquire tayo sa ID. Pwede na po bang kumuha ng ID ang MLS students po? MLS, Masters of Legal Studies po. Okay po, sige po. Ba't ka kasi naka-jacket? Kasi nga. Okay. Ang liwanag. Hindi ka mag-a-adjust. Ayan. Ayan, sinasabi ko sa'yo. So, it's so weird seeing this campus empty. Kasi nga wala nga masyadong students. Ay, aliwanag. Dito ako lagi nag-aantay dati ng sundo. Diyan sa area na yan or sa labas ng gate 3 or dito. Yan. Kasi ito yung building namin, Carpio Hall. Ito yung building namin. So, within this vicinity lang din ako nag-aantay ng sundo before. Pero ayan. My gosh. sa hub. Wala masyadong food stalls na open. Kasi nga, bakasyon. Tapos before nung high school ako, naabutan ko naman tong shawarma place. Pero before, parang, I can't remember kung wings yung tinitinda dito. Pero may mga Korean ice cream dyan dati. Kaya suki ako dyan. Tapos, nandun pa rin yung takoyaki. So, ayun. Dito tayo dumaan kasi ang ingat.
What the dog doing?
Tapos pag pinindot ko yung orange, nagre-record na siya. Tinakita ko yung vlog mo, parang...
So, I just got home. I don't know what time I got home. But look at this cat. Yeah, he's judging me. Anyway, it's currently 8. Yep, you can't see. It's currently 8:29. And I am on episode 5 of campus. I love it. 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 Yeah. That's it. I guess that's it for tonight. I didn't really have much clips from today. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be taking videos tomorrow because I don't know what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. I hope I will have the energy to clean. Like, honestly clean. But yeah, that's it. Bye-bye. Good morning, guys. So, I don't know kung nabanggit ko kagabi, pero while watching off-campus, nung umuwi ako ng bahay, ay gumagawa ako ng nail. So, I was able to finish this nail, my right hand, kagabi, pero hindi ko pa tapos yung sa left. So, tapusin muna natin to, and then we'll get on to other things. So I finally finished my nails. It's not perfect, but it's alright. I decided to create like a thin French tips. Very, very thin. I prefer it that way. But yeah, I won't really show you up close because it's not perfect. But again, like I said, it's fine. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapaglagay ng nails. I think the last time I put on nails was also during the school break last time. So maybe 4 months ago. Yeah. That's what we have. Actually, nakapaglagay na ako last week or earlier this week. Pero inalis ko siya kasi I was about to say, inalis ko siya kasi may nakalimutan akong step. So, madali siyang maalis. And I think may nakalimutan ulit akong step this time. I don't think I was able to put on rubbing alcohol or acetone after kong nabuff yung nails ko. So, let's see how this will hold up. But, yeah. Baba tayo. And see what help I can do downstairs. Okay, so ito na yung mga na-gather ko na printed materials na binasa ko this semester. Although hindi ito yung entirety ng binasa namin for the whole term kasi yung iba hindi ko na sila pinrint. Binasa ko na lang through my iPad or through my laptop, pero ito yung mga pinrint ko lang. So yeah, that's that. Mostly consti to. Itong portion na to ay consti. For other subjects, I decided not to print out the other reading materials that I've used. Pero, yeah, kahit yung sa consti, these are all just cases. Itong mga to ay cases for consti and itong mga naka-folder ay yung notes ko. Pero yung book sa Consti, hindi ko na siya pinrint kasi sobrang haba niya. But yeah, that's that. Goodbye. Goodbye 1L. Charis. Okay, so I have 1 more year to go and I'm done with my master's degree. And then, tsaka na natin problemahin yung comprehensive exam para tayo ay ma-upgrade sa actual JD program. But, yeah, this is basically 1/4 of my master's degree. Almost 1/4 of my master's degree. Ay, nako. So, yeah, I decided...
Without her even knowing it. What's the ugly of Laurie's mind? I can use its power to take breakfast. Father, if you could only see me.
Parang tangsimbo. Oo. Wala mo kang tanga.
Nothing I do is ever good enough for you, is it, Father? Let's settle.
Guys! No na. Nag-hi lang sa'yo. Maramang ginagawa sa'yo. Nag-hi lang. Nag-hi nga. It's a virtue to not let your love slip away. So I'm cool and forgiving. I'll take what you're giving away. Hey, lumabas na yung grades. Wait. Cause nothing's quite enough when I know that to get it I bet. Yeah, to get it I bet. Merengah. Sabi ng kat. Merengah. Bigla na, sinend na ni Judge yung grades for the comprehensive. I don't think final grades na to. Gago, biglang naluha. Hindi. Papa, Happy Father's Day. Belated Happy Father's Day. Ate, ano na? Kung buhay ka pa ngayon, nangihingi na ako ng reward ko kasi naka... But you know what? Okay. So this is grief talk. Grief talk with Belle. Charis. Sometimes it feels weird for me to go on with my life. Tas wala si Papa. Kasi honestly, I'm used to his absence. I'm really used to his absence naman. Kasi we don't live in the same roof na for a long time na. So I'm used to his absence kasi yun nga, we don't live together. Pero I would feel his absence on my little milestones in life as a daddy issues. I would gravitate towards telling him agad. Usually he's the first person to know of my little achievements kasi, well, for validation. Pero yeah, that's my routine every time I go to him, sharing the good stuff. But sometimes it feels weird na grabe hindi niya nakita yung hub. Like, what do you mean? Hindi niya nakita yung hub? Yeah, that's, yun, well, kasi wala naman akong iba pang na-achieve since he passed. Pero, yeah, it feels weird na hindi niya nakita yung hub, hindi niya nakita paano siya nabuo. Yeah, that really feels weird for me. I miss arguing with him. Even for my graduation, kasi he was planning na magpapatahi ng barong ang ate mo, na para bang host ka? Over naman sa pagpapatahi ng barong, 'di ba? Parang wala akong nakitang tatay na nakabarong doon sa graduation, pero bet na yun. Pero ayun. Yeah. Kasi si Papa, he would act na kapag alam mo may mga little milestone ako, ibabardagol ako niyan, pero alam ko naman proud yun. As much as sobrang pangasar kasi yun. Pero I know na, like when he passed, like the people who approached me during the wake, lahat sila sinasabi nila, no, proud na proud sa'yo papa mo, niyayabang ka niya sa amin, ganyan. Yun. So as much as kapag nag-update ako sa kanya sa ginagawa ko sa buhay, at pinapartagol niya ako or ini-ignore niya ako, it's surprising to know na, well, sa ibang tao pala pina-verbalize niya yun. Yeah. That's it. I don't wanna cry. I'm gonna try to distract myself. Hi guys. So, I don't know when's the last time I picked up this camera, pero I just got home. Almost mga 30 minutes ago siguro. I ate, and ngayon ay gagawin natin yung forms for the remedial exam. So ako yung inutusan ni Judge to create the Google Forms for the remedial exam. Kasi, ayun, mag-remedial exam. So, yun muna ang atupagin natin. And later ay i-unwrap. Unbox? Hindi naman kasi unbox eh. Pero mag-open tayo ng mga parcel na in-order ko for next sem. Yung mga stocks ko ng highlighters. Hindi naman super dami nung binili ko. Pero bumili na ako ng mga pang stock natin ng highlighter. Kasi yung ibang highlighter ko ay wala na akong backup or ubos na talaga. So anyway, unahin muna natin yung paggawa ng forms for the exam. Okay, so I just finished doing the exam. Well, not the exam kasi syempre exam questions ay galing sa prof namin. Pero yeah, I'm done doing that. So now ay magbubukas tayo ng mga parcels na in-order ko for the next term. Yeah. Hindi pa kompleto to, so baka tomorrow ay mag-open ulit tayo. Pero I think meron pang dalawang parcel na hindi pa dumadating. These, I believe, ay yung page flags or yung index tabs. So this is what I currently use as well, pero ubos na kasi siya. Color pink yung in-order ko ulit. Medium size and the small ones kasi hindi ko nagagamit yung super malaki kasi sobrang sayang sa space. Pero this sem ko lang na-realize na pwede ko pala siyang printan kasi I don't like my handwriting. Pwede pala na i-print ko siya. So, I figured out parang I think I scanned this tapos I put it sa Canva para malagay ko yung placement. Ang daming trial and error nun, by the way. Pero, I figured na I can print on these pala. Paano mo papalita? Ayan, ganyan siya. But, yeah. So, I figured, pwede ko naman palang gawin yun. We have this. I don't know what this is. Let's check. Oh, maybe this is yung refill. I don't know if I mentioned previously, but I love using friction pens. Although pagdating sa Kodal, since hindi ko alam kung anong type of ink yung ginagamit ng Rex bookstore, pero para kasi siyang ano, 'di ba? Nagsismudge kasi siya kapag ginamitan mo ng eraser, so more so kapag friction pen. So although hindi mo naman talaga magagamit yung friction pen as you would normally, I just like using friction pen sa Kodals ko. And kahit anong papel actually. Parang kasi kapag other type of pens, pag regular pens, parang may sense kasi of permanence. And natatakot ako kasi nga again, hindi ko gusto yung handwriting ko. Naiinis ako sa handwriting ko. 2 refill for red and 2 refills for blue. So ayan, kasi ito yung madalas kong ginagamit. Yung black kasi I don't really reach for it as much. Next up, we have this. I think this is the notebooks. So, ito ay yung mga craft paper na blank. I mean, wait, you would understand if I show you. Yan, ito. I think this is 11 pesos each. Ganyan, I got the grid ones. Nung high school ako, ganito yung binili kong notebook for my subjects kasi hindi ko naman maximize pag yung regular notebook. So, I figured na I would use similar notebooks for this SEM as well. At saka, binili ko ng A5 na bond paper. Kasi I'm thinking of not purchasing rules of court muna na Kodal. Dumating na pala siya! This is the A5 bond paper that I was saying. Sakto, yun yung sinasabi ko. Bakit ako bumili ng A5 na bond paper at hindi na lang yung notebook refill? Kasi gusto ko ng flexibility in terms of kung saan ko siya ibabind, kung sa taas or sa gilid. Kasi kapag yung binili ko is yung refill ng notebook, yung butas niya ay nasa gilid lang. At saka mas mura pag ito yung binili ko. Yan, di ba? Ang cute. I think meron pang smaller dito. Pero I opted to get the A5 size one. For this, sa Civ Pro, hindi na lang din ako bibili ng food court na Kodal. Kasi ayun, I've heard nga na parang i-amend din kasi siya. So, iniisip ko baka mamaya pag bumili ko ngayon, by the time that I am like studying for the bar, ay kailangan kong bumili ng panibago ulit, which is sayang naman. So, mag-print na lang muna tayo. Okay, so next one, this. I believe ito ay yung mga, I don't know anong proper term. Tingnan nga natin anong tawag sa kanya. Coil ring? Yes, spiral coils for binding. So, for other students, you would see na ang gamit nila is yung ring na pwede mo siyang buksan. Wait nga, may pinaglalaroan ng pusa ako na hindi na dapat paglaruan. I'm sure you've seen other students who use yun nga, yung ring na pwede mo siyang i-open. Kaya lang, I didn't opt to get that one because feeling ko ang hassle na isa-isahin mo siyang bubuksan. Well, kung tutuusin, kapag kailangan mong dagdagan yung pages for this one, i-unravel mo siya ulit. So, I don't know why that's one of my concern. Second is, usually, ang sizes nun ay A4. Ako, sanay na ako sa long bond paper. Although, mas mahal yung long bond kasi ang thought process ko, mas marami ko nalalagay sa long bond paper. So, I don't know, sue me. Nasanay kasi ako na long bond kasi sa office, laging long bond yung stuff. Kaya, ayun. Anyway, another reason is limited yung size nung, I will show a picture nga of what I'm talking about. Pero yung ganyang ring, limited kasi yung sizes niya. I don't think they have like a bigger ring of that type. Ayun. Di ba makakapal yung readings? Especially kung magpiprint ako ng mga, So, bumili na ako ng bago kasi I only have one of the small one and one of the big one. I forgot exactly what size yung previous na binili ko. Pero yung isa ay 14mm and the other one, I can't remember exactly. Pero for this one, ngayon ang binili ko ay mas malaki na. Ang binili ko ngayon ay 16mm and 38mm. So, mas malaki ng konti dun sa maliit na meron ako at saka yung pinakamalaking size na available, which is the 38mm. Okay. Grabe, sobrang laki. Ayan. 38mm. This is 32mm. Not really sure, I can't remember. Ito yung previous one ko. Ito yung 38. Sobrang laki. Okay, so at least kapag yung mga box. Ayan. 16mm, 14mm, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan. Usually, ginagamit ko yung smaller size for my personal notes kasi di hamak naman na mas maliit yun kaysa sa, mas manipis yun kaysa sa mga magiging ibang materials na kailangan kong i-compile. Bumili na ako ng PVC binding cover. I don't know, this is 20 pieces, so 10 pairs. Yeah, 10 pairs. Yung 200 GSM lang yung kinuha ko, kaya yung 200. Ayan, ganyan siya. Manipis pa din siya, pero kasi namahalan na ako dun sa 500 GSM. So, okay lang. Para lang naman magkaroon siya ng cover of some sort. But yeah, that's everything I got. So far, yung meron pang hindi na-deliver, which is, yeah, the highlighters. So, baka by tomorrow dumating na siya. And basically, everything is complete. Guys, so, it's the next day. Nakapag-errands na ako. It's currently 2:02 na. Oh my gosh. Pero, galing na ako sa labas. Nakapag-errands na ako, whatnot. Tapos, dumating na yung orders ko na hindi dumating yesterday. Okay, so I decided to get the Stabilo ones. Hindi ko to gagamitin sa Kodal ko. Kasi I was thinking, ang bibilin ko sana is yung Zebra na highlighter. Kaya lang, before nung undergrad ko, matagal ang buhay ng Zebra mild liner for me nung undergrad. Pero ngayon sa law school, mas mabilis yung buhay niya sa akin, especially that I use it for rulings of the Supreme Court. I mean, the specific colors that I buy from sa mild liner, I use it for ruling of the Supreme Court at saka ng Appellate Court. Bugbog sa akin yung purple kasi maraming dinidiscuss doon eh. Mabilis siyang maubos sa akin. So, iniisip ko, 90 pesos gagastusin ko per highlighter. Tapos, hindi ko natatapos yung isang buong term with the Zebra highlighter. So, I decided to get Stabilo ones instead. So, tingnan natin yung performance niya, kung magtatagal ba yung buhay nito. Okay lang sa akin gamitin yung Stabilo kasi hindi ko to gagamitin sa Kodal. Again, I use this for my case reading. So, dead ma kahit nagbe-bleed siya kasi hindi ko naman siya gagamitin sa books ko. So, bumili ko ng dalawang purple and one blue. I forgot the exact shade. If I can remember, if I can find it, I will put it here. Pero I'm sure you know of this. So, sila muna yung kinuha ko. Kagabi, nag-print na ako ng civil procedure with the A5 bond paper that I've used. Ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Kaya bond paper yung ginamit ko instead of the notebook refill kasi mas flexible ako kung saan ko siya gustong puncheran. Kung sa taas ko ba siya ibabind or sa gilid. So, for this Kodal, mas gusto ko siyang pataas. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero, ayan siya. Tapos, ito yung ring binder. I think this is the 14mm one. Hindi ko muna ginamit yung bago. And then, yung binili nating PVC cover na 200 GSM, ito na yun. Hinati ko siya para magsakto. Oh, sorry. Yung isa, i-open natin. Sorry. Yan. So, still the same highlighter that I use for my Kodals. Sinabi ko na to sa previous video ko. Nag-restock lang ulit ako. Lahat naman nung binili ko ngayon ay majority except these Stabilo highlighters ay yung usual stuff ko talaga. Talagang bumili lang ako for restock purposes for the next set. Okay, meron pa akong dalawang stock ng yellow na hindi ko pa nagagamit. Ayan. Pero since mabilis nga ako makaubos ng yellow, nag-stock na ulit ako ng dalawa pa. Meron pa akong isang pink dito, so hindi mo na ako bumili ng pink. Pero wala na akong stock ng orange. Although kakabukas ko lang ng bago ko, tapos nahanap ko yung luma ko. Madami pa to eh. Pero kumuha na rin ako. At saka nung teal. Kasi wala na rin akong backup yan. So yan, ito talaga ang favorite highlighter ko. Trust. So yun lang yung kulang.
I just got hired. I'll start on Monday daw. Wala pa akong damit. Lahat na damit ko, crop top. Tapos mga v-neck. So, nagpanic buy ako sa Shein. And later, kain muna ako. So, later, titingin pa ako ng ibang damit sa maybe TikTok para mas mabilis ma-ship. Okay.